and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over traditional time steps. So, the time steps that I have taught previously on this channel that start with a stomp are called buck and wing time steps. Okay, buck and wing. So they're not the traditional kind. And so I'm going to teach you the traditional ones here. And these are the reason why we start on 8. Because these have to start on 8 in order to properly do them. Okay. So our regular buck and wing time steps, the ones that I taught you previously in previous videos, start with that stomp hop step. Okay. With a traditional, you're going to start with a shuffle. Okay. So with your right foot, you're going to go shuffle, and then it's exactly the same from here. Hop, step, flap, step. And then you would start left foot. So again, they're exactly the same. They just start with a shuffle. So this is why we start them on 8, because we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then you would start on 4 on your other side. So it would go 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you would start again right side. So these are just your single ones. I'm also going to show you double, triple, and quadruple. So show you from the back view here. You have shuffle, hop, step, flap, step. Try it right side, left side. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 2, 3. Good. Now try it 4 times in a row. See how we start on 8 so that we get that full nice shuffle? It's an open shuffle. It's nice and long instead of being a closed shuffle. Closed shuffle is nice and fast and quick. Long, open shuffle. Okay? You can hear the difference. Open and closed. Okay? Give it a try. 4 in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Then you move on to your doubles. Same thing. Shuffle, hop, but instead of that step, you're going to go flap, flap, step. Again, left side. Shuffle, hop, flap, flap. And now your triples. Again, you're going to do a long shuffle for the first one. From here, hop, shuffle, step. With this second shuffle, you're going to do a closed shuffle. It's going to be nice and fast. Okay, so you can hear the difference between the two. Yeah, so nice and long, and then nice and short. And then end it with that flap step. Left side now, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step. Right side. Okay, now we get to our quadruple. There's 2 closed shuffles here. So you're going to go long, open shuffle, and then 2 fast shuffles. And then that extra step. Now your left side. Again, right. Good. Let's try 4 of each now. 1 right after the next. So we're just going to kind of keep going, nice and continuous. 4 of each, single, double, triple, quadruple, traditional time steps. Okay, start with that shuffle on the 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Double. Triple. Quadruple. Nicely done. All right, let's try a little bit faster now. Again, 4 of each, single to quadruple. Faster. 5, 6, 7. Double. Triple. Quadruple. Nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.